guys, Lake here. Today we are going to be opening up the Parks Badge Mystery Limited Release Collection. This just came out today. I was over in Epcot and picked up a couple boxes. So you can see the front of the box here, and then the back of the box, which displays all the pins. So I have 7 boxes here for us to open. There's no chasers in this set, unfortunately, but I do think they're pretty cool. I'm excited to see what they look like. So, got my safety scissors. So the first pin we get is Disney Park Badge, got an autograph. So you can see what that looks like. And then back is pretty plain on them, just a normal pin back, says limited release. And then I will go ahead and do a close-up after I have all the boxes opened. But the second one I got is Sing Along. It's got a little Jiminy Cricket on it, so pretty cool. That's the first box. The second box we got the Disney Transportation. This was one of the ones that I was really hoping I'd get. So pretty cool. And then, oh, I already opened it. Oh, I forgot to mention this is a 14 set collection, but this is the Meet a Princess. You see it's got Snow White on it, but I'll show you a close-up of the box so you can see all 14 pins, because I'm sure we're gonna get some duplicates going on in here. Here's our first duplicate, another Meet a Princess. And I'll be a little peeved this is Transportation. Yep. So, another Transportation. We got a duplicate box that had the same things in them. Hope for some better luck with this box. We got Sing Along, Jiminy again. And got an autograph. So another duplicate box. Up. What are we on? Box number 5 already? This video is going to be way shorter than I thought it would be. Ah! Here's a new one. Super cool. Feels a little funny on it, but rope drop. It's got a Mickey and Minnie on it. It's pretty cool. Probably my favorite one that we've gotten so far. I like that one a lot. See that again. And then we got, ooh, this one looks rough too. This one looks really scratchy. You can see it is another different one, but it's Night Owl. So not doing too bad. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unique ones so far, with 2 boxes to go. We got another park badge autograph in this one. And if I could cut this one open, we got sing along. So that kind of sucks. We got 3 boxes that were exactly the same, hoping not to make it 4. But on the bright side, when you do get doubles out of these, it is a new set, so there should be a lot of people looking to trade them. And we got 4 boxes that were exactly the same. So that kind of sucks a lot. Again, like I said, I can hope to trade them for some of the others, but 4 boxes that are exactly the same, that's kind of peeving. Like, there's 14 different bins, and we got a lot of the same. So that's kind of unfortunate. Alright guys, so these are what the pins look like close up. And here's also a better close up of the box. You can see on the side it says 14 each, and then these are the different ones you can get. I was hoping for a little more of a variety here. I know that sometimes this happens, but 4 of the 7 boxes being exactly the same really kind of stinks. I did try to get them to pull them for different places. I actually even went to 2 different stores because we also did a pickup for one of my friends who wanted the boxes, and I went to different places to get theirs and then mixed all the boxes up. So I'm curious whether or not they are going to get a bunch of duplicates as well, because that's definitely really disappointing. I do really like this one though. Not sure if you can see though, the fill on the blue is super dipped. Like, it looks really bad. And then this pin too, you can see the fill's kind of shoddy, and then it's all scratched up as well. So, pretty bad quality control. Even this one has some nicks and flaws in it. So, it was a cool set altogether. I'm hoping I can trade for some of the other ones. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And tell us if this has ever happened to you. Thanks, guys.